Hey everyone! If you are looking to pick up NordVPN, right now is the absolute best time to do it. In this video, I'm sharing an exclusive coupon code that will save you extra money on top of the standard 79% discount. To get started, simply copy the code from my description and click the official link below to head over to the NordVPN website. Once you are on the landing page, click on Get NordVPN. The great thing about this coupon is that it works for every single tier, whether you choose the Basic, Plus, Complete, or Ultra plan. It even works for the 1-year options. For this demo, let's select the Plus plan. Simply click Get Plus, look for the Got a Coupon section, enter the code LEARNN, and hit Enter. As you can see, the price drops instantly, saving you an additional $20 on your purchase. I have included 2 or 3 different backup codes in the description just in case one expires. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I will personally provide you with a fresh code. Just remember, for these specific discounts to activate, you must use the link provided in the description. This ensures the system recognizes the referral and applies the maximum savings to your cart.